No-bake cheesecake with a Cool Whip is rich, light, and fluffy. It is smooth and creamy. A dessert that sets up amazingly in the fridge. Besides, it is appetizing, and you do not need to spend much time to make it. This recipe's essential step is adding the delectable Cool Whip. Moreover, you do not need condensed milk or gelatin for this recipe, unlike other recipes. The best part of all is that you can skip the oven since it is a no-bake, and it creates a delicious and appealing cheesecake from scratch. Likewise, no-bake cheesecake with a Cool Whip is the ideal summer dessert. What you will need for this no-bake cheesecake with Cool Whip. Ingredients for the filling: 2 packages cream cheese, 3 cups of Cool Whip cream topping, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. Ingredients for the graham cracker crust: 6 pieces of graham crackers, 3/8 cup of melted butter, 1/3 cup granulated sugar. Step by step to make a no-bake cheesecake with Cool Whip. Step 1. Put the graham crackers and sugar in a food processor until it turns into fine crumbs. Step 2. Place the crumbled graham crackers and sugar in a large bowl, add the melted butter, and stir with a rubber spatula till completely incorporated. Step 3. Evenly spread and press the graham cracker into the springform pan. Refrigerate the pan for 20 minutes and proceed with the filling. Step 4. Grab a mixing bowl and beat the cream cheese with an electric mixer at medium speed till it is smooth. Then, add the sugar, vanilla, and lemon extract until fluffy. Fold in the Cool Whipped cream topping into the cream cheese. Step 5. Pour the cream cheese and Cool Whip mixture onto the prepared springform pan. Evenly spread it using an angled spatula. Then, fill the mold until there are no gaps or pockets of air left. Step 6. Afterward, seal with cling wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until firm. Remove from the fridge and detach the springform pan. Garnish with the desired toppings of choice. Serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks. You can use a store-bought crust or make a crust ahead of time to save time. The lemon extract complements the vanilla extract and gives the cheesecake a hint of tartness. However, do not use it if you prefer plain cheesecake. Use fresh fruits as a garnish, but you can use chocolate chips as a topping if you are more of a chocolate lover. You can use whatever fruit you desire, such as cherries, pineapple, and strawberries. Overbeating will release the air from the mixture. Make sure to enable the cream cheese to attain room temperature before putting the cheesecake. Get all the bumps out when beating the cheese to get a smoother cheesecake. Similarly, be sure that the cream cheese is soft before you begin whipping, because cheesecake remains creamy. Likewise, do not overmix the cream cheese mixture, because it will lose its fluffiness if beaten too much, and it will destroy the cheesecake's texture. Moreover, you can prepare it on a pie plate, or use a springform pan to create this recipe into one large cheesecake. Likewise, it can save you time in dirty dishes if you purchase a store-bought pre-made graham cracker pie crust. If you want to create this recipe in cupcake tins, then place the cupcake liners in each prepared mold and form the crusts in them. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.